in more detail. Now we have 4 online workshops. If you are not able to come to Bern this summer, you can choose from our online program. And these are the 4 online workshops we offer this year. This is Quantitative Impact Evaluation with Claudia Maldonado. This will take place from the 11th to 15th of September. Of course, it's not the full day because it's online learning and online teaching. So there are synchronous and asynchronous sessions, but you need to have time from Monday to Friday. But Claudia will explain then in more detail then when you meet, what other tasks you would have to do in between. So it will be very intensive, but of course it will not be online all the time. Then we have 25th to 29th of September, a new online workshop on sampling with Wolfgang Meyer. In October 16 to 20, once again, digital analytics for monitoring and evaluation with Claudia Abroy Lopez and Callum Handforth. And the final one is also a very famous workshop from the 6th to the 10th of November, developing national evaluation systems in the public service with Matochi, Michelle Amizi, and Ian Goldman. So of course you can participate in all of those workshops, or you just pick one of them and maybe come back next year and visit our on-site program. So that